Hello, hello. Another day, another car. So we are here in Southwoods because Mark is actually buying a new car. He sold his city and now he's getting a different car. He still has a Jimny, but kind of excited for this one. So Jenson's taking some photos. It's actually super nice here. I wish I brought my car. I'll show you the cars. So here's Jenson's car, and here's Mark's new car. It's a Camry. Another day, another car.
Yeah.
Super nice. Blacked out Camry. This thing's white. So used to cities. Super nice out here. I'll show you. I wish I took my car because it's super nice here. I wanted to take some photos, maybe film a reel or something, but my car's AC went kaboom. One of the lines exploded. I don't know why. Well, my compressor's about to give out, and I think that's what caused it. So I have no AC right now. It's super hot, and we're far from home, so I didn't want to take my car and sit in the heat. That's why we took Jenson's car and I'm driving. Okay, here's Mark with Luis. Hi. I guess we're following them. Exhaust? Yata. Sounds good.
Hella good.
This one's nice. It's got an 86 here. Clean, clean.
Ito na siguro. Ito, pwede na lagay plaka mo, Marco.
Some bolts for his license plate.
Ito, banan natin sa harapan. Lagay mo sa hood. Oo.
Oo nga, kompleto yung plate number mo niyang ganyan.
Oo.
Pwede naman, dikit lang din.
Underglow.
Underglow. Pwede na. Yung remote pa, oh.
Diba? RGB yan. Grabe. We're inside the Camry and we're gonna feel
2GR power.
the V6 power. Oh shit.
Hindi, nag-shift. Nag-shift siya, tapos ano.
Yun, hindi yun rob.
Oo. Tapos kumakamot.
Ito pala yung bagong kotse ni Mark.
Sige, huwag na lang pala muna.
Wag na lang.
And just like that, we're on our way home. Just stopped by the gas station to get some gas because we wasted Mark's gas.
Oh, for sure.
So,
For sure yun,
Yeah.
kasi
uy, ganda naman. Maserati. So, good luck Mark sa gas mo.
traffic pa ata.
Another day, another vlog. It's actually the next day. So, I am on my way to Calle Verde in the Beast because Stance Pilipinas is hosting a meet. It's actually a semi-invite meet. And the way it works is that if you get an invite, you get to invite your friends as long as you do it privately. So, Jenson actually got an invite and he invited me, so I'm tagging along. And now I'm driving in this heat. It was actually raining this morning, but still I washed my car because I just have to. I'm going to a meet. I'm not going there with a dirty car. Yeah. Right now it's super hot, and as I've mentioned, I have no AC. My AC is broken, so this will be fun, right? So I hope you can hear me because I've got my window cracked down just so I don't die in this heat. Scary. Oh, that Evo is sick.
Check ko lang yung fitness ko.
Ooh. Got ham and cheese. I've got my onigiri here, and for some reason they heated it up. I don't know if we're supposed to do that or not, but let's give it a try. So it's good. I just don't like that it's hot, but it's good. 7 out of 10. what the coolest thing about this car is? It's this way. It's carbon fiber. Buzz height plus 13. This thing's so wide. So that is it. If you've made it this far out in the video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it because we had a lot of fun. I'm not sure if I filmed enough clips for you guys, but yeah, it was just a super chill meet. Nothing crazy.